welcome to Andy. I'm the laboratory manager here in Melbourne.
Follow me, let's have a look around.
So here we have our reception, packing, dispatching and booking in of jobs. A very busy period in the afternoons. Vincenzo is our ceramics operations manager and also quality control. He's in charge of overseeing every job that leaves here, making sure it's up to our standards, and he does a good job. What's the best part about your job?
Every day.
Every day. Yeah, good place to work.
Yeah, our service is amazing.
Good to hear. We come now through the ceramics area. The highly skilled technicians finish off all the crown and bridge work. Artists in their craft. Very skilled technicians layering the PFMs and staining your zirconias and emaxes. So this is where the wonderful technicians make all thermoformed appliances, splits, mouth guards. Might get to Mark here for a quick word. So you've been with the company 6 years now?
6 years.
And what's the best part of the job?
Yeah, I'd say the people.
The people?
Yeah. Just
Does it get stressful at times? You enjoy it still?
It's not too bad actually. We have a pretty good team down here, so we all help each other out.
That's
we do get really busy doing our mouth guard season.
Yep.
We have a lot of through, so.
Great work. Keep it up.